Fellas, we all know by now, if your shape up is that sharp, when you take that shower, what it look like, TV?
I am back! What it do, baby?
YouTube's own Varnell Hill.
Did ya miss me?
And we back, man. And we gonna stay on the love yourself theme. And we're gonna get into you fellas today, man. Let me talk to the fellas, man. What is going on out there? We started off with the spray on beds. No. Now y'all just going out and getting full on weaves and hair mats, hair rugs glued to your head. Now, full disclosure, man, full disclosure. If I take this hat off right now, I got some slight beach erosion going on up top here. Nothing ridiculous.
Oh my God, that's so embarrassing.
But once I seen that the shape up wasn't going to be sharp as I would like it, I immediately just went bald, went to the ultra low cut, so low that I don't even need a shape up, and decided to take care of my beard. I'm starting to notice that I'm a special breed of man, because the man that's able to do that is a special breed of man, because it's a lot of men out here that just can't let it go. She gave my man officially the world's first male hair helmet.
Congratulations! 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 Congratulations!
Look like my man got a rugby helmet on.
My father-in-law's getting married this weekend, and I gotta get this bald head looking fresh, so I'm gonna get my hairpiece put back on. 20 years, and I know I'm gonna get the comments, "Oh, Scott, just accept that you're bald. Shave it already, dude." You think I haven't done that? I've been shaving my head forever. I've tried the Rogaine, I've tried the Keeps, and I don't mind how I look with a bald head. I just don't have an option to grow it back out. So I love that I can do this. It makes me happy.
Now, when you look like that right there, fam, their hair is done, man. It's over. You can't go from looking 42 one day to looking 27 the next day. A lot of times I'll be questioning, my major question be rather, let me reword that is, you think the people that you work with and see you from the day to day ain't gonna notice that you was bald headed yesterday and you showing up today with a full set of hair? And maybe it's me, but when they go get a whole lot more hair, it kind of rubs me even more wrong. Like, you went from bald to a mop head? You saw that absolutely right. Those were some dusty old, super dirty dreadlock weaves that somebody was washing out in the sink with some Dawn, prepping them things to throw them back on their head. Somebody bald up top, but walking around with a full set of 12 dreads. 12 dreads. What is the purpose of putting 12 dreads on your head? But it's a little crazy, man. But I'm noticing a little bit of everybody do it. And just like always, the Asians done figured out a way to do it a little bit better than everybody else. These guys got some lace fronts that look like they are officially official. I'm talking trash, but them boys is good though. Them boys is good. These guys are so good at it that when I was doing the research for this video and I saw this one right here, I was like, dag, like I told y'all at the beginning, I only got a little bit of erosion in the front. I only got a tad bit of erosion in the front.
You are fake news.
They could just give me a little island, I might be able to stun on y'all. I might be able to do a couple head flips on y'all. They selling islands out there, but like I said, they done figured out a way to do it a little bit better than everybody. But to be honest, the plastic wrap holding it on your head and them drawing, you feeling all stupid and you up in his chair, I ain't gonna be able to do it, man. I don't want the island that bad. That process look crazy as hell. Do you be up in there, everybody looking at you, man? I'm cool, but I could dream though. But I ain't getting it. I'm cool though. But I want one, but I'm not gonna get. I'm cool though. That's corny.
You stay focused.
Then you got some people that just got horrible techniques. This technique coming up right here, this is horrible. Yeah, my man really just put a whole bunch of black paste on his head, pasted down some fake dreadlocks, and tried to trim them up and pass that off.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard.
Now, I don't want nobody to be confused out there, because I'm pretty sure you just like me, when you looking at this stuff and it's in high definition and 4D and, you know what I mean, HTK and all that other stuff, when it's in all these formats, it's looking good. But I can guarantee you that these are just like them weaves. And once you get up close on them, it's going to have a totally different look when you can see it. When you can see it, when you can stand right up on it like, yeah, that looks terrible. But anyway, to get your head done ain't enough. If you know one thing about men, we got a habit of taking things way too far.
It's your right to listen to your gut. It ain't nobody's right to say no after you earn the right to be where you want to be and do what you want to do.
So just to fix your baldy ain't enough. The cats that couldn't grow a beard, the patchwork boys, they was out in full effect. They decided, yo, we need to get some fake beards. Fellas, just know, I have never seen nothing good come of the chalk. If the chalk comes out, some weirdo stuff is about to happen. You have been warned. Come on, man. If you thought a fake mop on your head looked terrible, the one on your face looks horrible, man. Looks horrible. Looks horrible. But you know people always got to take it there. You know, forget the bushy beard. Why don't you go get a long perm beard? You go get a beard of some Yaki number 4 straight. Yeah, you saw it, man. You saw it. You saw it. My man had so much fake beard, he didn't know what to do with it, man. He didn't know what to do with it. But yo, man, you really thought the Asians was gonna get out of here without a beard job? You really thought they wasn't gonna one-up everybody on the beard jobs? Cue the video. My man looking like the Asian Mustafa. Where the little Lion King at, man? What's going on, man? Heard you got a movie coming out. We gotta learn how to love ourselves a little bit more. And you probably like, why are you out here and you on these guys' back? This video was unfair. You out here shaming these men and they just trying to live their best life. The men kind of had it coming for this one. Cause I've been on this planet for 48 years. Yeah, I'm older than what I look. I've been on this planet for 48 years. And if you think I look older than 48, hit me in the comment section and tell me I'm 52 then. Tell me I look older then. But anyway, been on this planet a long time. And one thing that I do know that men have been consistently saying for my whole time on this planet is that fake hair, ladies, it's a horrible look. We don't like it. The wigs, or as we refer to them as the hair helmets, we don't like that stuff, man. It's nasty, it's disgusting, it look like it stink, and I'm just being honest with you. So for men to turn around in 2024 and not only jump in the boat with you, jump in the boat and take command of the boat, because some of these ways don't make no sense, man. You putting this stuff on your face. You putting it on your face. My man blacked the whole top of his head. How is your head going to breathe, man? How is your head going to breathe? Yeah, they braid their head all the way down, but there's some part marks in there for their hair. How is your head going to breathe with the black paste, man? But on the brighter side of things, you women gonna have to start going through some of the things that us men have been going through for a long time. You gonna wake up in the morning after the club with that dude, and he ain't gonna have no beard. You done took home a dude with a big bushy beard from the club last night. My man had dreadlocks and braids and all. You wake up the next morning, my man ain't got a beard. He ain't got no hair. He put all that in his overnight bag while y'all was eating breakfast, and you gotta sit there and pretend like this the same person you met last night.
Are you happy, Mommy?
Yeah, we getting true equality in 2024, man. Now y'all gonna see what this deception do. You gonna start feeling some of the deception end of the stick the way we've been feeling. Watch. When you wake up and that dude ain't got the beard on, it's gonna click in your head. Wow, they wasn't talking ish. They was on to something. Men, we done took stuff to ridiculous levels, and we gotta get back to loving ourselves, man. Cause this is not a good look. Y'all tell me about some of y'all experiences in the comments section. Would y'all be down to get one of these procedures? Was I bugging? Should I go ahead and get my little front island done? Should I join the club? It ain't gonna be enough comments to get me to join the club. But if y'all think I should join the club, you can still hit me up down in the bottom. But anyway, man, like always, if you done made it to this point in the video, you are my MVP.
It was a stone groove, my man.
I'm out of here.